Namaste students, welcome back to 9th English class. Today we are going to learn first prose. Its name is Learning the Game. It is about a personality. I will give some clues. Can you find out who is the personality? He is known as Master Blaster. Can you find out? Another nickname is Little Master and he is known as God of Cricket. Yes, your guess is correct. The great personality is none other than great Sachin Tendulkar. Unit 1 Prose Learning the Game Sachin Tendulkar. First we can see about the author. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He was born in Mumbai, Maharashtra on 24th April 1973. He was a former Indian cricketer and captain widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. He is considered as the greatest cricketers of all time. He made an impact on cricket from a very early age. Very early age itself he started playing, displaying a prodigious talent. The world famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. He is the greatest batsman. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first to score double century in a one-day international, and the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket matches in total, scoring 34,357 runs. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from cricket on 16th November 2013. Learning the Game is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Extract means it is a part of something. Autobiography, a story written by himself. The autobiography of Sachin is Playing It My Way. Come to the lesson. Let us go to the lesson. From very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. I love watching cricket on television and in our games I often try to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. Throughout my career I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. From very early age itself, Sachin from starting itself very early age, he played tennis ball cricket. He played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. With whom he played cricket? With his friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games I often try to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Viv Richards. And he also loved to watch cricket on television. He also loved to watch television like that. Sachin Tendulkar loved to watch matches on the television and he tried to emulate means imitate the mannerism of my favorite players. His favorite players were Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. Who were Sachin's favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. He did? He tried to imitate the mannerism of this Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. Not only batsmanship I studied, I also loved bowling. Sachin loved bowling also. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nest. He is telling throughout his career, he has bowled a lot in the nets. Are you clear? Second paragraph. I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. That time Sachin was studying in Mumbai New English School. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to the other schools in Mumbai, Saradasram Vidyamandir, where Ramakant Achrekar was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. But my brother Ajit, who was Sachin's brother? Ajit. He knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, which school Sachin was studied? New English School. So Ajit brother knew that Compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. One school, its name is Sharadasram Vidya Mandir. Their cricket coach, his name is Ramakant Achrekar. So was the cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. What is the speciality of Sharadasram Vidyasram? There was a cricket coach, his name is Ramakant Achrekar. He gave due importance to cricket game. He ran summer camps too. Besides that, he used to run summer camp for cricket. Ajit one day took me to the camp and get trained under sir. Ajit one day, Sachin's brother Ajit took him to the camp. So anyone could come for the trial at the camp. No, anybody can come for the trial. But then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. Then sir will, based on their performance, sir will decide to whom to select. I was 11 years old then. What is Sachin's age that time? He was only 11. Achrekar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. Achrekar sir. Was Achrekar sir a cricket coach? As I referred to him, when Sachin was referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. Achrekar sir also started his cricket playing at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. At what age Sachin went to Achrekar sir? When he was 11 years old. Are you clear? Who are the Sachin's favorite players? You know who are the Sachin's favorite players? Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richard. What was the special about Sharadasram school? Can you say what was the Sharadasram school? Gave due importance to game of cricket. Come to next paragraph. I had never batted in the nets before and I felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. When Sachin came in front of Achrekar sir, he was feared because he had never batted in the nets before and he felt somewhat overawed. So nervousness with so many people because a lot of people around him. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. When Achrekar sir asked him to bat, he was not comfortable. With so watching me so closely, I failed to make an impact. First trial, Sachin can't make an impact on sir. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back when I was little older. So Achrekar sir called Ajit and told Sachin was very young, he can't attend the camp. When he was little older, you can bring him back. See, first attempt or first trial, Sachin failed. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. Sachin is saying, my first entry was in failure. But for Ajit's insistence, having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. But Sachin Tendulkar's brother Ajit knew very well, he was a better performer than I had done in front of Achrekar sir. He explained that I was nervous and asked sir to give me one more opportunity. So he asked, he knew Sachin was a very good performer, but Sachin can't give his real performance in front of Achrekar sir. So he requested Achrekar sir to give another opportunity. However, he suggested that while doing so, sir should pretend to go away and then watch from distance, and he requested Achrekar sir to watch Sachin's play from some far distance. Sir agreed for that. Before long, I was asked to bat again, and without sir's trained eyes scrutinizing me, or so I thought. This time Sachin thought sir is not watching him closely, so he felt more at ease and soon started to hit the ball well. So this time he hit the ball very well. He gave a good performance. This time sir agreed to let me join the camp. Seeing the performance second time, Sachin performed well, so sir accepted to make him let the camp. I was delighted. Sachin was very happy, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed. That is the opportunity transformed my life. Whenever we start something, maybe it will be in failure, but we don't worry. Practice make a man perfect. So again, when Sachin was performing second time, he did it well and he was selected. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. The summer camp, involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. Where was the summer camp? It is in Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Morning 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. he has to practice. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. Again practice will be there. He want to come back afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous, very strict, extremely thorough and careful, rigorous. And I would be exhausted by the end of the day. See, it is a rigorous training. So Sachin was exhausted. What is meant by exhausted? Tired. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. Sachin had to travel 40 minutes to reach the Shivaji Park. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. First few days, Sachin's brother Ajit come with him. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuance of batting, and I was always enjoy this conversation a lot. Whenever they are going, Ajit talked to him. Nuance means subtle changes. Ajit used to talk to him. I always enjoyed this conversation a lot. He enjoyed that conversation and he listened him carefully. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is not the Ajit gave me the containing some thoughts about batting. About that time only he got lot of lessons about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. He considered it as a very personal coaching manual. What was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin? Can you say? What was the opportunity? When the coach Achrekar agreed to let Sachin to join the camp, he was delighted. It was the opportunity that transformed the life of Sachin. What sort of conversation did Ajit and Sachin have while traveling? Ajit and Sachin would talk a lot about precise changes in batting. Okay. Come to next paragraph. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. See, when he was a smaller child, now he was in the zenith of his success. But when he was small, he was only one set of cloth, cricket cloth, and he has to wash them as soon as I would return from the morning session. After the morning section, he would wash that. While I had my lunch, my cloth would dry out in the sun. While he had taken his lunch, the cloth would be dry out in the sun, and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The same cloth he want to wear. The pattern was repeated in the evening. Evening also the same thing happened. After the evening practice also he want to wash that, so that I could use the same set of cloth the following morning. The next day morning also he wants to use the same cloth. The system worked well. Apart my pockets, see, the dress completely dried, but except his pockets, it is not dry. There was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, because there is no time for the dry of the pockets. And for the entire duration the camp I played with wet pockets. So Sachin is staying entire camp. He has been playing with that wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, So had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer. By the middle of the summer camp, somehow he joined, but in the middle of the camp, Achrekar sir had started taking an active interest in my batting. He was very interested in batting and he understood Sachin's potentiality and he takes special care on him. And at the end of the 2 months, he informed Ajit, the coach sir, Achrekar sir informed Ajit that Sachin had a potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all the year round. Not only for the summer camps, he had to practice whole year. Then he will be a good cricketer. However, my school, the New English School in Bandra, did not have a cricket facilities. Now, which school Sachin was studying when he was 11? He was studying in New English School in Bandra. There is no special coaching for cricket. So, sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. If Sachin wanted to pursue means follow or chase. Sachin wanted to follow cricket seriously. He wanted to change his school. Okay. What routine did Sachin follow in washing clothes? Can you say? Sachin had to wash his clothes routinely because he has only one set of clothes. After the morning practice, he want to wash it. Then he want to wear it. And after the evening practice also, he wanted to wash it. What did Achrekar inform Ajit? Achrekar informed Ajit that Sachin had a good potential. If he practiced all the year round, he can done well. Okay. Next paragraph. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. One evening, one day Achrekar sir called my father and gave the suggestion. That time Ajit also was sitting with father. Both accepted. What is sir's suggestion? The change of school. And both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. If Sachin gave priority importance to cricket, he certainly wanted to change the school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection to my changing school, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. What his father told, if Sachin was really interested in cricket, his father had no objection to change the school. Whatever things we want to reach, we want to set a goal. Likewise, Sachin set a goal. He wanted to chase cricket. So, when Achrekar sir asked him to change the school, he is ready. And what Sachin's father told, if Sachin is serious with cricket, father has no objection to change the school. I assured him. Sachin assured, gave assurance. And so it was agreed that I should move to Saradashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. So, from New English School, Sachin changed to Saradashram Vidya Mandir. Why? Because Achrekar sir was the cricket coach there. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. Sachin is saying his excess energies were tuned into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it best effort without worrying about the result. What was Sachin's father's advice? Without worrying the result, he want to work out. That also we want to do. Whatever things, what is your goal? Set your goal, then work for that. We want to give best effort to achieve our goal. So, this is Sachin's father's advice. Wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. What was the suggestion given by Achrekar sir to Sachin's father? Achrekar sir suggested Sachin's father to change his son's school. What acted as safety valve? All of Sachin's excess energies was getting channeled into cricket. This acted as a safety valve. Did you understood? Okay, come to next paragraph. In my first year at Sharadashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. In my first year at Sharadashram, I played 55 practice matches. See, first year itself he played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. With that 60 days, he played 55 practice matches. My summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. Summer session started, what time started the session? 7:30, and what time it ended? 4:30 p.m. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30 minutes. Afterwards, after 4:30 he will get a 30 minutes break, and 5 o'clock again he wanted to start. During the break, sir would give me some money to go and have a vada pav. Vada pav means a popular Mumbai fast food. He was eating that pani puri like that. Sachin used to go and eat vada pav. Who gave money to him? See how affectionate that sir was, his coach. Achrekar sir gave money to eat snacks for him. See, you can see Sachin with Achrekar sir there. Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I would have 5 more net sessions. This 5 to 7 o'clock, he had 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place 1 rupee coin on the top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. He played a trick. What he played? Last 15 minutes, Achrekar sir would place 1 rupee coin on the stump. Sachin managed to avoid getting. Sachin would not be get out. Then the coin was his. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me. Not only that, every bowler in the camp, they will bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. See, how many boys there? 60 to 70 boys. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. That intense 15 minutes, very fastly Sachin wanted to act. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. See, every time he won that 1 rupee coin placed on the stump by Achrekar sir, it gave a great satisfaction to him and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. See, morning 7:30 to 5 o'clock he has been practicing. Then also he is concentrating. This and the 1 rupee coin placed by Achrekar sir, he tried to get that. This gave him concentration when physically drained. At the end of it all, sir would tell me to run 2 full circuit of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. Wearing pads and gloves, last Sachin had to run 2 full circuit on Shivaji Park. That was the last part of my training. That was the last part of his training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. After that, Sachin will be very tired. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays. Throughout the summer holidays, he had to practice this, and it helped me to build a physical and mental stamina. This helped Sachin to get a physical stamina, mental and physical stamina. What is stamina? The ability to sustain or prolonged physical and mental effort. Stamina. He got physical and mental stamina. These questions. What did Sachin do during the 30-minute break? What did Sachin do his 30 minutes break? During the 30 minutes break, Achrekar sir would often give Sachin some money to go and eat vada pav. What is the intense 15 minutes mentioned? Towards the last 15 minutes, Achrekar sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of stumps, and if Sachin managed to avoid getting out, the coin would be his. In this session, every bowler in the camp, nearly 60 to 70 boys fielding. It is the intense 15 minutes. Are you clear? Okay, come to next paragraph. Occasionally, my father came to take me home, and I would always ask him to treat me special cocktail at juice center near the club. Occasionally, father came to take Sachin. That time, Sachin asked him treat. What treat he asked? A cocktail at juice center. What is meant by cocktail? A mixed drink which is a combination of ingredients such as fruit juice, lemonade, flavored syrup, etc. Okay, Sachin every time asked him to treat him with cocktail. While this regular demand was little unreasonable, really it was unreasonable. He can't afford, because at the time I did not realize that my parents also had to take care of the need of my brothers and sister. That time Sachin was too young. He's a little boy, 11 years only. So he didn't understand. Parents also had to take care of. He has brothers and sister. Parents had to take care of them also. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. On other days when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus. Sometime father will come and take him. That time he has asking for cocktail treat. So that time Sachin has no awareness, because his parents wants to take care of brothers and sister. So Sachin's father ended that, so he want to go in bus. That time what happened, see, on other days when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus. Sachin was very tired, because 7:30 to 5:30 he has been practicing. So he was very this physical and mental tiredness. So he fall asleep in the bus. If I manage to sit down, if he get a seat, readily he will fall asleep. Anyone who has been on Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. Peak hours, it is very difficult to get a seat in that bus. One day when I was in So Lucky, it was still a challenge just to stand with the kit bag. See, so it is very, if he didn't get seat, it is very difficult for him to stand in the bus with kit bag. You know, usually conductors are scolding you also while you are traveling in the bus with a huge big bag. Like that, Sachin also gets scolding, because the bus conductor would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. You are taking another passenger space also. Likewise, conductor scolded Sachin because of that kit bag. It would be embarrassing, because the conductor were often rude and would sometimes ask me to buy 2 tickets. It is very unhappy for Sachin, dismay for Sachin. Sometimes conductors are asked him to buy another ticket. I didn't have the money for the second ticket, but Sachin had no money for second ticket, and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Dirty cloth often added me to the embarrassment. With time, I involved a way of wrapping the kit bag around me. Okay, I didn't have the money for the second ticket, so I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. The dirty cloth often added the embarrassment. His worries increased. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kit bag. So he is wrapping that, sweating is there for whole day. He has been wearing that. So it is very difficult for him. Just as the helmet and parts became part of me while batting, so the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Badra to Churchgate, and it was all great learning. This difficult journey was a great experience for Sachin. See, that also he learned a lesson from that. What did Sachin's father do when he... What did Sachin's father do just to make Sachin happy? Sachin's father would always end up giving Sachin what he wanted to see him happy. What did embarrass Sachin in the bus? It was a challenge for Sachin to stand with his kit bag. The conductor would complain about Sachin's taking up the space of another passenger. They were often rude to him and would sometimes ask him to buy 2 tickets. This was the embarrassing situation for Sachin. Okay, come to next paragraph. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home as such a fun that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to the nets. Sometimes Sachin forgot to go for his practice and he used to play with his friends in the colonies. It is very interesting for him. He forgot to go to nest. If I didn't turn up, Achareka sir would jump onto his scooter and come to find him. See, what a good coach Achareka sir is. Sachin didn't come, he come to Sachin's home and pick him up. Sir would spot me in melee and virtually drag me out and he would take me. Melee means a confused crowd of people. I would come up with excuse. Sachin will ask excuse, but sir didn't hear. But sir told he would have none of it. He would get me to change and head off to Shivaji Park. We will go to Shivaji Park. See, because of Achareka sir is one of the important factor for Sachin to get friend. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing insane game with these kids. Why you are wasting your time and playing with these kids like that? Achareka sir asked Sachin. Cricket is waiting for you all the next. Practice hard to see what magic can transpire. There is a magic for you. Transpire means reveal. You can reveal something magic for the world. Try for that. What made Sachin forget to go to the nets? What made Sachin forget? Sachin felt that playing with his friends at home was such a fun. So, he would forget to go to the nets. What did Achareka sir's advice to Sachin? Achareka sir would advise Sachin not to waste his time playing disordered games with these kids. Okay. Next paragraph, we need to have proper career orientation. This is a great advice for you children by Sachin Tendulkar. We need to have a proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do and you will be successful. This is a great advice for you. What Sachin told? We need to have proper career orientation. What are the things you want to do? You should decide. For that you want to set a goal. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Your personality is an important factor. Choose something you enjoy. What are the things you enjoy? You choose and really want to do and you will be successful. And you want to work hard, then you will be successful. Okay. At that time I hated being dragged off, but as I look back, I feel sheepish about my action and can only admire Achareka sir's farsightedness. Whenever Sachin didn't want to go to net, sometimes Achareka sir come and drag him. That time Sachin hated that, like you. Now you are hated the advice of teachers and parents. But afterwards only, when future only you will, really you will come to know. It is for your good only. Like that, Sachin also felt that time he think bad about Achareka sir. Now he is telling it is his farsightedness. Okay, this is the last paragraph. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me a very important lesson. One day Sachin was punished by Achareka sir. One, I bunked my daily evening practice. What is mean bunked? To make oneself abstain from. Once I bunked my daily evening practice. One day Sachin didn't go for the practice. To watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating so would be there. He wanted to watch an inter-school cricket match. For that, Sachin didn't go for his daily practice, anticipating that so would be there. Sachin didn't know Achareka sir was there. He was angry and he said, it wasn't for me to come and watch other people play for. I practiced hard enough. One day, people from across the world would come and watch me play. What Achrekar sir told, why you come and watch others play? If you practice hard enough, one day people from across the world would come and watch me play. What Achrekar sir told, if you practice enough hard, very very hard, if you practice, whole world will watch you one day. So Sachin is the best example of practice makes a man perfect. Okay, had it not been for sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. See, Sachin is because of his coach Achrekar sir only he would be a famous cricketer. He was a strict disciplinarian. In discipline, he was very strict and did everything he could for me. Everything. See how affectionate he was. We know because sometimes he was giving money to eat snacks also. I owe myself to him. So Sachin is he is owing to Achrekar sir. See, from a common man, Sachin came to the great success. What are the awards Sachin got, you know? Arjuna Award in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, Padma Shri in 1999, Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Bharat Ratna in 2013. See, because of Achrekar sir only he came. Not only Achrekar sir, his hard work also make him come to the zenith of his success. Okay, here we can see one picture how Sachin Tendulkar became a famous cricketer, how he paid his respect to Achrekar sir. Coach Achrekar sir passed away on 2nd January 2019 at the age of 87 at Shivaji Park residence. Achrekar sir passed at the age of 87 on 2nd January 2019. Tearful Sachin was at the funeral. See, you can see Sachin is carrying his body at the funeral and paid his tribute by carrying his coach's mortal remains to the cremation ground. Sachin, see, he became a world famous cricketer. Then also he paid tribute to his master by carrying his master's mortal remains to cremation ground. Is it nice, children? Okay. So hard work pays for you. You should follow this example. He gave advice for you also. Okay, I will send notes for you. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.